Japanese ITAMAE are highly regarded as a fascinating profession worldwide. Their allure is formed by the following elements: advanced skills and delicacy. ITAMAE are required to have advanced skills and delicate handwork in preparing Japanese cuisine, including sushi. They are known for their meticulous craftsmanship, from handling ingredients to presentation. Tradition and cultural heritage. ITAMAE embody and perpetuate Japanese culinary culture and traditions, passing their skills from master to apprentice with great care. Deep understanding of ingredients. ITAMAE possess profound knowledge and understanding of their ingredients, excelling in bringing out the best flavors and presenting them in their prime. Artistry and creativity. The work of an ITAMAE transcends mere cooking, becoming an art form through food. They create dishes considering color, shape, and texture, offering a visually enjoyable dining experience. Spirit of hospitality. For ITAMAE, the art of cooking is inseparable from the spirit of hospitality. They strive to provide the ultimate gastronomic experience tailored to each customer. These factors combined make ITAMAE respected worldwide, acting as ambassadors who convey the charm of Japanese cuisine internationally.